If you're experiencing FPS drops on your Nintendo Switch, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this guide to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Close background applications. Make sure to close any applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve performance while playing games. Step 2. Update your system. Check for any available system updates. Keeping your Nintendo Switch updated ensures you have the latest performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 3. Adjust display settings. Lower the brightness and adjust the display settings. Reducing the brightness can help conserve battery life and may improve performance during gameplay. Step 4. Clear cache. Clear the cache of your Nintendo Switch. This can help resolve issues related to performance and may reduce lag during gameplay. Step 5. Use airplane mode. If you're playing online games, consider switching to airplane mode when not needed. This can reduce network-related lag and improve overall performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Nintendo Switch's performance. Enjoy your gaming.